Project 21 is Enhanced Dice Game. We're going to use this circuit and select Game 4. Now, the game has the same principle, but there are more features involved. We're going to hold down the C button. Now you can see that all three LEDs, which are connected parallel to each other, are on. And I'm going to hold down the C button for a little bit and wait until we get doubles. There we go. The LEDs don't really do anything other than flicker when the speaker sounds. Now this is an additional circuit you can use, and you can make it a little bit louder. Project 22 is called 3-second hold. For this project, we are going to select Game 7 using the S8 module. Hit the B button, and what we will do is try to hold down the C button for exactly 3 seconds. And if you fail to do that, the speaker will play a losing song, and the game will begin. If you hold the C button down for exactly 3 seconds, a winning song will be played, and the disco cover will spin. Unfortunately, like I may have said in one of my earlier videos, the disco shaft is broken, so I can't put the cover on. There we go. Winning song plays, and now the disco motor spins and lights up. To make the game more fun, you can play with multiple people, see who is the first to hold the button down for exactly 3 seconds. Project 23, 5-second hold, is very similar to the previous one, but we will select Game 8, and you have to hold the button down for exactly 5 seconds. You will get the same results if you either hold or fail to hold the button for exactly that period of time. Project 24 is called 10-second hold. We will select Game 9, and the objective of this game is to hold the C button for exactly 10 seconds. I held it down for 11 seconds. You'll try again. There we go. Believe it or not, Project 25 is called 20-second hold. And I'm going to demonstrate it just for the sake of this project. We will select Game 10 and start the game. There we go. Project 26 is very interesting. It's called Numbers and Letters. For this one, we will select Game 11, and we will press the C button repeatedly. The U29 display will cycle through all the available letters and numbers that can fit on it. And a bonus part of this game is to identify which letter is also the same as a number. If you guessed it right, that's a capital S, because a capital S on a 7-segment display looks exactly like the number 5. Project 27 is called Red and Green. This project is very simple. Turn on the slide switch, and both the red and green LEDs light up. turn the switch off to turn the LEDs off. Project 28 is called red and yellow. As you can see, I replaced the green LED with the bicolor LED, and the positive side of the yellow LED is on the right. For Project 29, if you look closely, I switched the bicolor LED around so that the positive side of the red LED is on the right. Let's turn it on. Although it may be hard to see with the camera, both LEDs that are on now are red. Project 30 is green and yellow. I replaced the red LED with the bicolor LED, the positive side of the yellow one facing away from me. Turn on the slide switch, and now you have a green and yellow LED on.